my name is Trinh-Nguyen, and I'm part of Dr. Ruffner's lab in the Allergy and Immunology department, which is at Aberson Research Center. So this summer, we have been researching on the illness Eosinophilic Esophagitis, which is also abbreviated as EOE. And EOE is an allergic, chronic, and inflammatory disorder that is located in the esophagus. Its symptoms can include heartburn, chest pain, or even vomiting. And it affects 1 in 2,000 people in the US almost every year, but there are no FDA-approved treatments for this disease. So because of the lack of treatment, our research has been focusing on finding potential causes of TSLP concentration in esophageal epithelium. So TSLP stands for thymic stromal lymphopoietin. It is a substance that induces allergic reactions in not just EOE, but also in other allergic disorders such as asthma or atopic dermatitis. It is also called a cytokine, which is a substance that is present when foreign invaders come inside the body in response to allergies. And so we have used 4 stimuli to test TSLP concentration. So the 4 stimuli are IL-13, IL-4, pan-2CSK4, and poly-IC. And we have used these 4 stimuli because in past research, these 4 stimuli have increased TSLP concentration on the RNA level, but now we are going to be testing it on the protein level instead for TSLP secretion. And our hypothesis is that poly-IC will increase the most TSLP concentration because, again, on the RNA level, we have seen poly-IC being having the most TSLP concentration, but now we're going to be testing it on the protein level. So we have tested it using the ELISA assay. So the ELISA assay, it stands for Enzyme-Linked Immunosorbent Assay. It is a lab procedure that looks for antigens or hormones or proteins. But in this case, we are looking for TSLP in all of the four stimuli stimulating the epithelial cells, which are cells located in the esophagus. And we have used different time periods to ensure accuracy and also to optimize experimental conditions in varying time periods. So we have done 72-hour stimulation, 48-hour stimulation, and 24-hour stimulation. And these are our results. So throughout all of our 5 ELISAs, and I've helped perform with all 5 ELISAs, poly-IC has been shown to be have the highest TSLP secretion throughout all 5 ELISAs. And that is expected in our hypothesis. And from these results and from this knowledge, we hope to develop better treatments, not just for EOE, but also for other patients with high TSLP concentration levels. And so overall, that is our research, and I would like to thank Ms. Michelle Marshall, Dr. Melanie Ruffner, which is my principal investigator, Ms. Sally Morzek, she's my lab supervisor, and all my other lab members for cooperating with me and helping me navigate through all 8 weeks of the CHOP Rises program. And most importantly, I'd like to thank the people who created this program, this CHOP Rises program, for high school students like me, so that they can help us learn more about the medical field and what it is like to be in a real laboratory. So, and I hope that they will expand the CHOP Rises program to more high school students and also other students beyond that, so elementary school students and middle school students, so that more people will know more about the medical field. So thank you, and thank you, and thank you all so much.